fantastic. So we saw 3D models, we saw images. I want to show you videos as well. So let me just upload a kind of just a straight up video. There we go. And now let's also put it on an image. So we started out by putting a model anywhere, then we did an image in a specific location. Now let's put the 3D video on top of some image. So let's throw that in, uploading to our cloud. What happens right now is very similar to what we saw earlier. We're taking the content, we're converting it, we're compressing it. We make sure that it works on any device anywhere, and basically making sure that you can kind of manage and deliver content of any type to any platform. So let's give it a sec to load. We can also basically, as you can see, upload many models, many 3D assets into our project. It could be as many as you want. So maybe I'll just add some more. So let's add this fox, for example. Let's put it in Canada. Let's allow it to upload as well. Perfect. There we go. That was already uploaded. Let's give the video another sec, and then we can see it overlay a different image. There we go. So now we have the video right here. Super, super simple, very similar to what we saw with kind of images and 3D models. But now that you can see that this kind of video also has like an image target associated with it. So let's see how that works in practice. If I scan this QR code, and again, you can do that same thing with me if you're watching this live. I'm going to scan this QR code. It redirects to a website. And again, no installation is needed. Once the camera kind of instantiates, we will put it in front of the QR code, but now the QR code won't work anymore as the target like we had with the Empire State Building. For this thing, we have to use the image target itself. So here's the image and here's the video on top of that. How cool is that? So we have the video playing on top of an image. And this image, again, could be anything you want. I'm moving kind of the video with my finger. But this image could be anything you want. It could be a magazine, it could be your business card. Then when someone scans it, they see a video of yourself talking about yourself. It could be an advertisement. Really, you're limited only by your imagination. And the ease of use is just to upload things to Echo, and it just works automatically.